I'm Custom Hardwood Flooring. We're here in this new house with this new owner of this house. She's modifying the house a little bit. She removed these walls, so we have to patch on both sides, make it look like it's not a patch. So we have to lay seam wood on both sides, and also we're doing the kitchen. We're gonna fill it up with wood. It had tile before, so now we're gonna put wood, and also we're gonna refinish the entire house. ¿De qué lado? Repair is complete. We spliced it in so it won't look like a patch. This part of the living room is done. I have to do this little area, and then we continue to the kitchen.